So we've all heard the stories how mechanic shops rip off customers. Well, in today's video, I want to share with you a story about how customers try to rip off a mechanic shop. So come with me. So my name is Brian Essick. I have been a professional mechanic for over 30 years working in shops, day in and day out. And occasionally we get customers that try to rip us off. So in today's video, I'm going to share a story with you about how a customer tried to rip us off. So I'll set it up for you. So the way it went down is the customer brought their vehicle in and they requested a repair. I don't quite remember exactly what the repair job was, but it was something like a valve cover or oil pan or oil leak repair or something like that. So they requested that job. So we gave them a written estimate, how much it would cost to do this repair. Signed the estimate and said, yes, do the repair. We do the repair and then give them a call up and say, hey, your vehicle's done, come and pick it up. So when the lady came to pick up her car, she tried to negotiate the bill down. She's like, is there any way we can get this bill down, pay it? And she threw out a number way less than what we were originally signed the estimate for. And we're like, sorry, man, we cannot lower the bill. We negotiate the price before we do the work. Once the price is negotiated, that's the price. This is what the bill is. Now, in certain circumstances, we may work with people, but in this case, it was a clear, this is what the price is. This is how much it's going to cost. You okayed it. You signed it on the dotted line. So that's what the bill is going to be. And she refused to pay the bill. She refused. She's like, I want this bill lower. I want this bill lower. She goes, I am going to give you a bad Yelp if you do not lower this bill. So she threatened us with a bad Yelp review to lower the bill. Luckily for us, we have a really good reputation in our shop and we don't advertise. Pretty much everything is word of mouth. Our shop is super busy because of that. And we do a really good job and we really take care of our customers. So this woman threatened us with a bad Yelp. So we're like, you know what? Put the Yelp out there. We don't care. We don't use Yelp. Yelp is not a part of our advertising repertoire. And if you feel like you want to put the bad Yelp out there, go right ahead. That's on you. But you are going to pay this bill. This is your bill. She put up an argument, but she ended up paying the bill. And she did end up putting up a bad Yelp. But like I said, it didn't affect our shop at all because we run pretty much off of word of mouth. We do a really good job, and that person would say, hey, I recommend this shop, and so on and so on. So our shop was always booked, always full, and we did not use Yelp to promote our shop at all. So it did not affect us. But she literally threatened a Yelp review to hold us hostage to the bill and try to lower the bill. So I'm curious, what do you think? Should we have given her a discount? We did the job, we negotiated that job, and that's what the job she agreed to. Or should we have bowed down and given that discount? What is your thoughts? And also let me know that if you guys have had any customer horror stories where the customer tried to rip the mechanic shop off. I know there's a lot of them out there, and so I'd like to know that those stories in the comments below. So leave that there. I'm Brian Essick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.